Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Monday, December the 2nd, 2013. As you guys know, I'm retiring this month, so this is probably may be my last video. I don't know. The main thing to show you right now on the major charts going around the globe, it will, of course, this sell signal you had 2 days ago, and then you get confirmation here. You have the shooting star followed by lower high and lower low, so that would be a confirmation what you look for a sell opportunity there. And you also have other signals that would be in play. Would be this high point here and this higher point here. It's trending up like between those two high closes. Yet this corresponding time period between the high point here and the lower high here, and the ultimate oscillator is trending down. Of course, would be a bearish divergence, telling you this is not a sustainable rally. This has been going on for a while though, and then the long-term charts are showing even worse conditions. So this is something that in this scenario, and I can show you this sell signal is forming on all these charts. It's something that's been a trouble for us since the government has stepped in and started inflating asset prices, because we've had many sell signals that have just not panned out. So what's basically happening here is you can't be a buyer because you're overextended to the upside and the sell signals are in place, and what's going to happen is you get a surprise move to the downside, and that would be a bad place to be buying. So what can you do here? Step out and just go to cash. Trying to call the very top of a major bubble is really risky scenario. What you want to do instead is just get out before it bursts, and that way you have cash, so that on the when it's low you can come back in and buy at that better entry opportunity. Cash is king at the bottom, but only if you had the foresight to get out before it blew up in your face. Quick glance here at the Russell 2000 Small Cap Index. This is the same basic overall scenario we talked about before. You got the shooting star formation 2 days ago, confirmation here today. Again, same high point, lower high, trending down, bearish divergence formation between these points here and here. So it's just trending up, but it's telling you that it's not sustainable. It's breaking down. Also, longer term, it's been going on for a while, and the long-term chart is very, very precarious as well. Quick glance now at the SPX, the S&P 500 Large Cap Index, the same basic overall story. Nothing new here. You had the sell signal here and actually confirmation here again today. And then again, this doesn't mean that your market can't turn around and push higher because the Fed's stepping in and forcing the asset prices higher. So this could continue. It's just not a game that I want to play. So it's a really good time for me to be retiring at this point in time with the markets behaving the way that they are. Looking now at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, you can see that you have, again, the same signal 2 days ago. You had the sell signal, you get confirmation here. It could be a seller with a tight stop off the high point here. Look for this to break down, but again, the same rules apply. You had a sell signal here, you had confirmation here, and what happened? Turned around and kept pressing higher. This is just the problem with our markets, the way that they're being manipulated to the upside, and that can continue until eventually it doesn't, and anybody who's finally trained themselves to just ignore sell signals at that point will be caught in a very, very bad scenario where markets crash and their money's all tied up while they should have cash to buy at the bottom. They will not be able to do so. So that's why you have to eventually step back and say, fundamentally, what does this look like? And we were talking about the fundamentals. We're showing you the PE ratios for the S&P 500 are well in overbought territories. There's nothing here that should be news. Everybody knows that we're forming a bubble. We just don't know when it's going to pop. One last look at the trend, the Dow Jones Transportation Average Index. You can see this has not given us confirmation yet, but we have the sell signal in play, and then we'll look for confirmation following day. We'll give you a sell opportunity at that point. And again, the same signals apply. High point here, lower high, trending down with momentum, yet the price continues to press higher and higher and higher. It's a non-sustainable situation, not one that I want to be a buyer of. Alright, even though I am going to be retiring, you know that the website PerfectStockAlert.com will remain online, so that you can view the videos, the tutorial videos there anytime you'd like, as well as the YouTube channel, where we also keep those videos as well. Okay, so the market analysis will cease once I retire, and then the trade videos will remain there. So you would have all the tutorial videos to teach you everything that I know about technical analysis, as well as fundamental analysis will be there available for you on the website. Okay, God bless, take care, enjoy the holidays, and I will maybe see you again, but maybe not. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.